Hi dear friends, this is Rajesh here. Welcome to my channel Christ in Me. If anybody is here for the first time, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you can receive the notification whenever I am uploading the videos. Today is the 74th Independence Day for India, and all of us we are celebrating the freedom that we have got from the British rulers. There are countless Indians who fought and sacrificed their life to set India free from the slavery of British, and a big salute to all the freedom fighters and to their families. Like this, there are many countries in this world who fought for their freedom, but the fact remains is, though we are enjoying the freedom, there are many things in our life that we are struggling with and fighting hard, and most of the time fighting all alone. What is that people are fighting with today? They're fighting with their emotions, they're fighting with their unhealthy habits, they're fighting with their financial breakdowns, they're fighting with the sickness, they're fighting with their loneliness. Like this, each one is fighting their own battle with their own strength. But still, I don't think so. Anyone who's got 100% freedom from all these kinds of issues. If you have a question, who can help me to fight this battle? Who can give me freedom from these kinds of problems? Then I can guide you to one person who is very trustworthy and who can answer all your questions. 2000 years before, there was a great sacrifice was made for the whole of mankind to set us free from all kinds of problems that we have heard now. Most of all, to set us free from the slavery of sin, to set us free from the eternal fire, which is hell. He was crowned with a crown of thorns. He was whipped without mercy. His hands and legs were nailed on the cross. He shed his blood until the last drop of it. Why he chose to go through all these kinds of pain and suffering? For the only one reason, that he loved us with an everlasting love. He loved us with his unconditional love. In fact, he does not want us to go through all these kinds of problems all through our life. His desire also is that you live a peaceful and a happy life. But we made a choice to live without him and to make our own life, and today we have pierced ourselves with so many griefs. He promised in his words that our life battles belongs to him. From today onwards, you need not fight your battles all alone. Call upon him, run to him, pray to him. He will be able to save you from all your problems. You will experience the taste of real freedom when he is with you. By the way, who is he? His name is Jesus Christ. No one can separate us from the love of God. You might have heard this many times in your life, but the truth always remains as truth. That is, Jesus loves you.